who joined us yesterday. Now he's here reading the tea leaves from yesterday. Good morning, Dwayne.
Good morning.
Boy, we are booming. Yesterday was a big day on Wall Street.
Yeah, huge day, huge day. The Dow closed up 143 points, finishing the day at 20,412, a new record high. Led by financial stocks, think of the J.P. Morgan, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, Capital One, credit card companies as well. Also, industrial companies. Boeing had a great day, and the technology companies continue to jump, and they had big days, led by Apple again with a new record high. Google had a strong day. Amazon had a strong day. So good day across the board.
Yeah, we're at 20,400 on the Dow as we start the day. Let's talk about the Fed. What's going on there?
Well, today the Fed is Janet Yellen, chairman of the Fed. She's speaking to the Senate. And then tomorrow is the House. One thing that the markets will struggle with at times is when interest rates go up, and it depends how fast they go up. So when she talks to the Senate, gets grilled with a lot of questions about the economy and different things going on, how she responds, everybody's listening. So today the market's kind of on pins and needles to see what she will say regarding interest rates, the future, how she views the economy. She has also very much wanted to distance herself both in the past and in the present from being influenced by the president. You know, it's supposed to be an independent position, and she has really been very strong with that. And then the other thing that happened is kind of newsworthy. Danny Torrillo, one of the Fed members, yesterday announced he was resigning as of April. He is the guy who's focused on regulatory action. So, you know, him stepping out helps any thought of deregulation. And that was a big deal yesterday with the market, and I think the bank stock's moving.
So you're saying because this guy is leaving, that's a sign that deregulation is well on its way, and so the banks and the businesses were pretty happy with this.
Yes, realize that, you know, new people will be picked by the president to fill this role.
Got it.
That's going to be interesting to see. Everybody's so focused on what's being picked for the Supreme Court. Here you've got a couple spots open now. The president does get to pick. You know, very often it's someone from academia or the banking world, but someone does get to pick who's coming into these roles to help set policy in the future.
Got it.
So this is a big deal. The other interesting thing I just want to toss out, did you know there's 12 federal districts? Missouri is the only state that has 2 members. Missouri, St. Louis, right across from Stifel's headquarters downtown, and Kansas City.
I did know St. Louis had one. I wasn't necessarily sure that Kansas City had one.
Only 12 federal districts in the country. Missouri has 2, only state.
Mm-hmm. Plot thickens. All right, Dwayne Thomas, Senior Vice President of Investments and Branch Manager of the Clayton office. Markets today, how do they look? I guess all eyes are on Janet Yellen.
They really are. They really are, very, very much. Right now, the numbers show completely flat, and probably a little quiet on the trading until she starts speaking. And, you know, I don't know how much she can say at this point. She's just going to try to talk facts, you know, what she's seeing with the economy. But people are trying to get a read with this big run-up. What's going to happen? Can it continue, or is she going to say stuff that's going to hurt it a little bit? So very much focused today and tomorrow on her comments.
Dwayne Thomas, have yourself a good day. Great insight, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you. 642, Big 550.